In HTML, every element is displayed either as a block element or an inline element. If you imagine you are taking a trip to the supermarket, then the aisle in the supermarket usually takes up the whole space of the floor and therefore would be the block element. On the other hand, when an item is placed on a shelf within a supermarket, it fits next to the other items, only taking up as much space as it needs. Therefore, this is like an inline element. When we create an element in HTML, the element either appears on a new line or it appears within some content. When we create a heading, we want the heading to stand out and be an entity all on its own, and it appears on a new line, so this would be a block element. When we make some text strong, we don't want to interrupt the flow of the content around the strong text, and it does not appear on a new line, so this is an inline element. Header tags, lists, and paragraph elements are all examples of block elements. Block elements will take up all the available width. On the other hand, inline elements do not start on a new line, and the flow of the content around the element does not change. Strong and EM tags are an example of inline elements, as are images. Inline elements only take up as much of the width as is needed.